Welcome back to my vlog channel. So guys, we're trying to get rid of some fish so we can push the pond further down. But there's some maca inside there that is really giving the gentleman who's doing the work a hard time. He's using a metal blade on the weed whacker, but it's really a lot of work. Yes, so as you can see, everything is just springing up. Look at all of the cocoa. I can't believe how many cocoa. I see it's like one cocoa just shooting out 3, 4 cocoas. And see, one of the melons finally burst over this side. Yes, that's a melon. This is the pumpkin right here. And we have more pumpkin right here. Right? And a pretty, a beautiful sweet potato farm. And there's a big pumpkin over there in the farm. In case I can zoom it up. In the center of the frame, that's pumpkin. You can see the broadleaf. Alright, so let's go down closer. Why those thorns really giving him a fight. I could say here, the maca bush them bad. Oh my god. One more of the melons finally burst out right here too. Finally burst right here too. So we're gonna clean. Oh my god, it's a lot of bush. So we're trying to clean, go back down that side. We're gonna chop down these trees, those trees, push back down the farm, and then we're gonna fence it around. Loving the look of the sweet potato there. I can bet there's food under this already. The slips just fly off like the slips. These slips just stick off like airplane. So down that side that we're cleaning up, what we want to plant is carrots. Yeah, I want to plant carrots and sweet pepper. Over that side, still hasn't gotten, Curtis still hasn't gotten the chance to clean that side, but he said he's coming tomorrow to clean that side so we can put the pumpkins, some more pumpkins and some African okra. Yeah, so that's the latest update. I'm expanding the farm and I'm going to fence it around. Get some solar lights and put up. I have to put a couple drums on the farm and I'm going to set up a small irrigation system for the sweet peppers. I might do some cucumbers as well, because you know those are easy to, those are like catch crop. They come in 6 weeks. So yes, that's the plan, that's the plan. Alright. Everything is looking bountiful. and I'm happy and I can't wait to reap this sweet potato. I can't wait, I can't wait. So Scotty was saying by the end of December I should be able to dig something out of here. Some sweet potatoes out of here. But you know it's looking like 1st of January. First week of January, mid-January, yeah. Baby pumpkin. So there's a root of scallion that actually catch in my sweet potato. And I'm gonna try and pull up this for you to see. This in the middle of the frame is actually Irish potato. Those little leaves that you see in are Irish potatoes.